Karibu ni umanyithie ni Erastus kithuku anzomo na ke Sharon Ndinda aliula mauvoa kwanzia ya meko nenge mawoni maku yulwa mauvoa ngwithandi unengelelia kwisela ilita tuokenda imwitano namba ya utumani mukuve vatendevi na indi uyambia na ndeto mutongo TV kana TV nikenda none utumani waku kwa mituki kwisela mitandao ni ya mikumu kanile Twitter @mutongo TV ke @Erastus kithuku na hashtag ni vilingi wa mauvoa mitandao ni itu ya mikumu kanile Facebook tuevo mutongo TV YouTube Muthenya TV Stock FM official na tuyambia ngawanira tumenengete witunika na Muthenya umwe itina ngwatanio ya Azimio wa Kenya kuungamya maandamano ngwatanio nisyokethisye ingi na maunyungunyisyo angi alama ile kwianiiw'a uneenan'yani wa vamwe kati wa ngaliko ya silikali na ulei yani Bipartisan. Umunthi ngwatanio niyathingiliila nonginya syikalo syithiwe nthanthaau na iikon'ya andu nza wa mbunge na kuthera nthini wa Nineva Mithenya miongo itatu. Benjamin Mwaka ni we wa kusia umbanosu wa Azimio na nukutuvingo ya vilingi wa mauvo na ilebote.
Itina wa kwitikilia kuungamya maandamano Azimio nisyokethisye ingi umunthi na mawendi angi maingangi ni itikile kwikala mesa ni ateo ve na makina angi meho syikalo imeenda syithiwe nthanthaau na iikon'ya ateti na andu angi aingi kuma nza wa mbunge ikina yuka muthenya umwe itino wa kio cha Azimio kana Kenya Kwanza niele kumvetanga keinano wa chama cha Jubilee timuni yake kwianiiw'a.
That the talks cannot be driven entirely and exclusively through a parliamentary process. There must be an avenue to be inclusive and to allow for the participation of players from outside Parliament in the talks. Such a structure, in our view, will create an avenue for the inclusion of other outstanding constitutional issues to be canvassed in the talks.
Keli Raila Odinga enda Uneenan'ya wa Bipartisan Ukue ininiva mithenya miongo itatu nokana aki hikwatikana na mituki maunyungunyisyo ni onthe manene ana hala Azimio yithitwe yenda silikali viki mustalin wambe.
And that the talks need to start immediately. Our issues remain what we always said. We are not interested in any deals other than open talks on issues we have made public. We have also instructed our delegates to make it clear that we cannot want these talks to go for longer than 30 days from the date of commencement.
Ni vindani vya uneenan'ya valangu ngwatanio vanie kuendea na mauneenan'ya oangi ma county imwe kuthi ila ingi ila sieta wa town halls kuendesya uelesyo wa kila kithu wakiende zamani ya vamwe ya Bipartisan.
We wish to make it absolutely clear that we are not interested in power sharing with Kenya Kwanza or what the so-called nusu kati. In fact, our position remains that Kenya Kwanza is an illegitimate regime that is in power through a civilian coup. We will continue with our engagements with other people through town hall meetings and other avenues to continue educating our people on the issues as our delegates engage in the talks.
Onuyovo Azimio niyathingiliila ukanyuo kwa silikali kana hitopwa kutelemya ati mangwatanio na tongo imo kwa mivango ya kwenda kumina namo maiwetani yake kila mwene nthe kusukumisya maunyungunyisyo mo kuislamia atianio maandamano kananzia ingi hilasi katibani vala mamwekesya munino wa President Rigathi Gachagua na Minister Otandithia Moses Kuria mavitio makwithwa matwaisye mivango ino.
Gachagua, Kuria and their mercenaries in Kenya Kwanza had engaged assassins from within and outside established security forces to kill Azimio leaders and implement mass murder of protesters. We knew their plans and changed tact. When people with the history of mass murder and execution of witnesses tell you that they are going to kill you, you believe them or die.
Vilingi wa mavoku mapamusini wa ilovi nye nito Benjamin Mwaka.